Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Retain channel. So friends, today I will talk about XFX first dual fan Radeon RX 9070 XT graphics card. So friend, XFX Radeon RX 9070 Swift dual fan graphics card announced for China. So friend, the first and only dual fan XT version, the same height and features as the Mercury card, but it does offer the same specification as the Quicksilver and Swift. So the 304 watt TDP and 2970 MHz boost and dual 8-pin power connector. And this is the lowest model in 9070 XT lineup, and it is also the cheapest, and the card retail at 4,999 RMB in China and coming soon the global market. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.